Yes, friend. Right now we are discussing two main theorem and it is very important for the examination. University examination and college exam both. Number one. Prove variance x is equal to expected x square minus expected x all square. Taking LHS is equal to variance x. What is variance x? Variance x is equal to expected value of x minus x bar all square. You are familiar by this term. Okay? Are you getting my point? Now, x bar is what? X bar is sample mean and we are calculating about population. That's why is equal to, you can write is equal to expected x minus mu all square. Now expansion of this term is expected x square minus 2x mu plus mu square. Now open the bracket, expected x square minus 2 expected x mu plus expected value of mu square. Now putting expected x is equal to x bar or mu. Just I told you x bar means sample mean and mu means population mean. We are calculating right now for population. Therefore, expected x square minus 2 expected x is equal to mu into mu plus mu is a constant. Therefore, expected value of constant, any constant, is itself. Therefore, you write mu square. Expected x square minus 2 mu into mu is a mu square plus mu square. Now this is plus and this is 2 times minus. Therefore, expected x square minus mu square. We can write because there is 2 times minus and 1 time plus. Now as we know, mu is equal to expected x. Therefore, expected x square minus expected x all square, and that is right hand side. Please note down this. Now second theorem, you have to prove this. Covariance xy is equal to expected xy minus expected x expected y. Taking yes dear friend, covariance xy is equal to what? Covariance એટલે સહવિચરણ. 12મા ધોરણમાં તમે શીખેલા છો સહવિચરણ. What do you mean by covariance? સહવિચરણ. Yes, expected okay. Now open these two bracket, expected x into y, xy, x into y bar minus x bar into y plus x bar y bar. Now again open the bracket, expected value of xy minus expected x, y bar minus x bar expected y plus x bar y bar. Now expected x is equal to x bar and expected y is equal to y bar. Means expected xy minus expected x is equal to x bar. Therefore x bar y bar minus x bar y bar plus x bar y bar. This is with plus sign and this is with minus sign. So one will be cancelled. Hence you are getting xy is minus x bar y bar. And now putting x bar is equal to expected x and y bar is equal to expected y back. Therefore this will be and is equal to right hand side. Please note down. These two theorems are very important for the university exam and college exam. If you have any doubt, please you call me anytime. Let us come to sum number 5. The probability distribution of a random variable x is as follows: xi and pxi minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Their probability is 0.15, 0.30, 0.30, 0.15, 0.10. Dear friends, you have to find expected value of x. Number 1, you have to find this. Number 2, expected x square. Number 3, expected 3x plus 1. Number 4, expected of x plus 1 all square. Number 5, variance x. Number 6, variance 2x. Number 7, variance 3x. Number 8, variance 2x plus 3. Number 9, variance 2x minus 3. Number 10, variance 3x minus 2. 11, variance 3x plus 2. You have to find 11 problems. You have to solve this 11 problem. For all this value, you have to prepare one table, and as per procedure, first find out xpx. Xpx means product of these two terms, minus 0.30, again minus 0.30, product of this 0, 0.15, 0.20. These two value negative, therefore minus 0.60, and these two positive 0.35, difference of these two is minus 0.25. This is known as expected x. Okay friends, you have to find variance, therefore you need to find x square px. So first we are finding x square. Minus 2 square 4, minus 1 square 1, square of 0 0, 1 square 1 and 2 square 4. Now x square probability of x. X square is 4, 14, 15 is a 60, 0.60. 0.3 into 1, 0.3. 0 into anything, 0. 0.15 into 1 and 0.1 into 4. Total of these 1.45 and it is known as expected x square. Any doubt? I hope so you will get all these things. Please, this is very important sum. You may find in any exam. Okay. Number 1. We have little bit problem of space. So please, I may rub somewhere and try to understand all these things. Please. Number 1. You have to find expected x. Expected x is equal to minus 0.25. Number 2, expected x square is nothing but 1.45. Number 3, expected 3x plus 1 is equal to 3 expected x plus 1. 3 is constant and coefficient. Expected x is equal to minus 0.25 plus 1 is equal to minus 0.75 plus 1, that is 0.25. Number 4, expected x plus 1 all square. Expansion of this x square plus 2x plus 1. Therefore, it will be expected x square plus 2 expected x plus 1. Expected x square is 1.45 plus 2 minus point, what is value of expected x? Minus 25 plus 1. 1.45 minus 0.5 plus 1. 1.45 plus 1 is 2.45 minus 0.5 and that is 1.95 is your answer. Next, up to 4 is okay. Space problem. Number 5, variance x. As we know, variance x is equal to expected x square minus, agree friends? Just we have proved this theorem. Expected x square is 1.45 minus 0.25 all square. 1.45 minus 0.25 all square. 25 from short 60. It will be 0.0625. Dear friend, minus 12 will be plus and outside is minus, therefore it is minus. Now please you find out 1.45 minus 0.0625 is 1.3875 is your answer. Number 6, variance 2x. Very important, please. What is the coefficient of x? X નો સહગુણક કેટલો? 2, right? So what you have to do, square of that coefficient, and square of this coefficient is 4 variance x. Therefore 4, what is variance x? 1.3875. Is it 5.55? Please check on calculator. Yes, it is 5.55. Now 7, variance 3x. Please you try to solve this sum. What will happen? Yes, for variance 2x, it is 4 variance x. Same, what is coefficient here? 3 is coefficient. That's why square of 3 is the 9 variance x. It means 9, 1.3875. 9 into 1.3875, that is 12.4875. Number 8, variance 2x plus 3. My dear friend, you will get answer similar to variance 2x because it has no importance. These 3 may be plus or minus, it doesn't have any importance. So you have to write 4 variance x is equal to 5.55. Problem number 9, variance 2x minus 3. Just I told you, without x or without y don't have importance. So minus 3 has a no value. Therefore the answer will be same, 4 variance x is equal to 5.55. પાછળ પ્લસ 3 હોય, માઇનસ 3 હોય, 3 હોય, 300 હોય, 3 લાખ હોય કે 3000 હોય, એની કોઈ જ કિંમત છે નહીં. 10 નંબર, variance 3x minus 2. Yes, કદાચ હવે સમજી ગયા હશો કે એનો જવાબ શું થશે. મેં હમણાં જ કીધું તેમ આ -2 ની કોઈ જ કિંમત હોતી નથી, એટલે આન્સર થશે 9 વેરિયન્સ x, and 9 વેરિયન્સ x is equal to 9 variance x is equal to 12.4875. Agree? And last is 11 variance 3x plus 2. Please you try to calculate. Please, and then reply me. Yes, got it? Answer of this will be 9 variance x as above, and it is કોઈપણ પરીક્ષા હશે આવો દાખલો પૂછાવાની પૂરી શક્યતાઓ છે. આ ચેપ્ટરમાં અગાઉ બે થિયરમ અને આ દાખલો આવડે તો મને એવું લાગે છે કે બહુ તકલીફ પડે નહીં. અત્યાર સુધીના તમે કોઈપણ જૂના પેપર જોશો તો તમને આવું સ્વરૂપ જોવા મળશે. મેં એટલા માટે આ દાખલા ફરી ચલાયા હતા. તમારી કમ્પ્લેન હતી કે બરોબર ઓડિયો વિડિયો આવતો નથી, એટલે મેં આ રેકોર્ડિંગ કરવાનો પ્રયત્ન કર્યો છે. તમે મને રિપ્લાય કરશો કે આમાં બરોબર દેખાય છે, બરોબર સંભળાય છે. તમારો રિવ્યુ મારા માટે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે, અને હજી પણ આમાં કંઈ મોડિફિકેશન થતું હશે તો આઈ વિલ try my level best. Sum number 6. For two independent variable x and y, expected x is equal to 2.4, expected y is equal to 3, find one, expected 2x plus 3. Number 2, expected 5x minus 3y. Number 3, expected x plus 2y plus 3. Number 4, variance 3x plus y. And 5, variance 2x minus 3y. Number 6, variance of 4x plus 2y minus 3. In a previous sum, you have to find expected value of x, expected value of y, and so on, variance x, variance y. In this sum, you are given with all these values. Number 1, expected 2x plus 3 is equal to 2 expected x plus 3. Agree? 2. What is value of expected x? 2.4. It is 4.8 plus 3. 7.8. Your first answer is 7.8. Number 2. Expected 5x minus 3y. Same procedure. 5 expected x minus 3 expected y. 5. What is expected x? 2.4. Minus 3. Expected y? 3. 2.4 5 are 12. Minus 3 3s are 9. Your answer will be 3. Number 3. Expected x plus 2y plus 3. So expected x plus 2 expected y plus 3, because 3 is constant. What is expected x? 2.4 plus 2 into 3 plus 3, because expected y is 3. 2.4 plus 6 plus 3. It will be 11.4. Number 4. Variance 3x plus y is equal to variance 3x plus variance y. Just we have seen in a previous sum that variance 3x is equal to 9 variance x. हमने જે પાછલો દાખલો ગણ્યો એમાં આવી વેલ્યુ આવી હતી અને તમે એની કિંમત જોઈ હતી. Variance y 9. What is variance x? 1 plus what is variance y? 1.2. 9 ones are 9 plus 1.2, that is 10.2. Your answer should be 10.2. Number 5, variance 2x minus 3y. Be alert in this sum, my dear friend, is equal to variance 2x. Normally students are writing minus variance 3y. This is wrong. This is wrong. If it is minus, however, you have to write plus. So variance 2x minus 3y is equal to variance of 2x plus variance of 3y. That is 4 variance x plus 9 variance y. 4. What is variance x? 1 plus 9 variance y. 4 ones are 4, 12 nines are 108. That's what 10.8. And final answer 14.8. Number 6. Yes, number 6. Variance of 4x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to variance of 4x plus variance of 2y minus 3. Is it correct? No, don't write. Without x or y, it doesn't have value. So you have to write like this: 16 variance x plus 4 variance y. 16 into 1, variance x is 1, right? And variance y is 1.2. Therefore, 16 ones are 16 plus 4.8. Your answer should be 20.8. Next, this is last sum. Sum number 7. For a random variable x, expected x is equal to 2. Find the value of the following. Number 1, expected 3x, 2, expected x plus 5, and 3. This is a very simple example. This is a very simple example. Number 1, you have to find expected 3x. That is nothing but 3 expected x. What is expected x? 2. Your answer should be 6. Number 2, expected x plus 5 is equal to expected x plus 5 is equal to, what is expected x? 2. 2 plus 5, that is 7. And number 3, expected 2x plus 3 means 2 expected x plus 3. 2 into 2 plus 3. Your answer should be 7. Thank you very much. Have a good day.